Hello students, we're continuing to discuss nerve physiology. In this case we're going to talk about the speeding up, how fast the action potential can move down the axon. And what is important there for the speeding up the speed of transmission, how fast that action potential moves down the axon, is a cellular structure called myelin sheaths. And I introduced myelin sheaths several mini lectures ago. Myelin sheaths act as insulators, and they also allow for what is called saltatory conduction. And what will happen, we'll see with these myelin sheaths, it literally allows the action potential to jump down the axon. And so let's take a look at that. Here is, right in here is this myelin sheath. Here's a myelinated axon. And we saw this when we looked at the anatomy of a neuron. But this myelin sheath, it acts as an insulator, and what it does is allows the action potential to jump from what are called nodes to node to node to node. It allows the action potential to literally kind of jump down the action potential. You'll see it right here. The action potential moves very quickly from this node, and with the insulator effect of the myelin sheath, it jumps to the next node, and it jumps to the node after that. So if we compare, let's move down in comparison. Here is a neuron without any myelin sheaths. It's just a bare plasma membrane. If I start the voltage here, slowly that voltage has to spread all the way down the axon. And by the time it gets to the end of the axon, that voltage is actually very small. Okay. Here is an unmyelinated axon with the voltage-gated channels. And these are the voltage-gated sodium-potassium channels that we talked about. And here the voltage can spread from channel to channel to channel. And each time that voltage is regenerated back up to its original form so that there's no loss in the strength of the stimulus, and it moves from channel to channel. Now, if I go from the unmyelinated axon with the sodium channels to now a myelinated axon where it has these little myelin sheaths, now the voltage can spread from here, from node to node to node, and at each point, at each node, that the voltage is recreated, regenerated back to its original form, and so there's no loss in the stimulus strength, and at the same time it allows the action potential to move very quickly down the axon. Thank you.